Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly add a vault description on 1Password. As you can see guys, I'm on 1Password right here, and I can quickly add a vault description by just click on vaults on the left side, find the vault that I want to actually change or add the description for. So you can open the vault, and here you can click edit details and you can change the details or add the details here of the vault. So let's say I want to change this from tested to, let's say, not tested or whatever, right? And click and save right there, and that's it. Now, if you're not, you may be wondering why I'm in my details of my 1Password here. And if you're not inside your 1Password like this, you can click on 1Password, whichever browser you're in. It's always good to pin it so that you can quickly access 1Password. And so here you have account, all account on the upper left hand side, and you can find the vaults right here. And so I have the tested one here and I can click on it, but you may be wondering, okay, how do I edit the details? Once you're inside 1Password, whichever option that you are and you click on those vaults, you have the settings right here that you can always click on. Clicking on the settings is going to go ahead and open up 1Password right here, as you can see in Chrome. And here on the left side, you will see it shows accounts and vaults. This is going to show you the vault, and of course you have the vault right here, and you can click the three dots and you can click manage account, which is going to always open up 1Password for you, and you can always access a vault right here. So this is a few ways how you can access, or let's say quickly jump to vaults. Another way, let's say you don't want to go through all of that hoops to find vaults, you can just simply click on your 1Password extension here, and then within 1Password, let's say I go back to my family option here, or family, the plan right here, you can quickly access 1Password, the browser options, by also hovering over your account. And here you see open and fill. You click it and it's going to open up 1Password. Just enter your password or click on it and it's going to log you right in. And so you will have the vaults right here on the left, or from the home page you scroll down, you have the vaults, and you can click the settings gear to access those details of vaults and so forth. So that's it guys, very easy and very simple how to add description to vaults in 1Password.